This is a third day tabletop restoration. Actually, this is preparation for the French polishing. Yesterday we added a lot of stain and shellac in the cracks, trying to minimize damages and dark spots. We are slightly sanding with 400 sandpaper, taking off some of the shellac with the pigment, what is just too much, and trying with some kind of judgment to leave just as much as we need for the final good result. As you can see, as much less pigment and shellac, and only in the cracks deeper in the wood what we wanted. We go on with the sanding. Sanding is a very important part of preparation. Sanding is giving you a smooth surface, and experienced restorer can check that always by touching that with the fingers with a good feeling what is some more imperfection, like this one here, that we sand nicely, making that smooth. Final coat of shellac will cover some holes, imperfections and cracks, but not all of them. This means we have to sand to take it off, because if stays too much of pigment and shellac, will be another bad looking spot. It's a permanent balancing what actually we want as a final result before adding shellac over that. Because when you finish sanding, and all this what I'm doing now, this will be the final look of your tabletop, what will be protected with shellac. Shellac is not giving you any special beauty if the tabletop or whatever piece of furniture you do is not prepared properly. Shellac is not really helping you if the preparation works are not good enough. This means take your time for whatever you do, no rush, and think how that will look actually as a final result. You know, many people stop simply with adding a shellac. They think that's the beauty. That is not the beauty. Shellac is protection of artwork. What is a carpentry, artist, doesn't matter what kind of work. It's just a protection, not a beauty. Beauty should be actually finalized before with the hands of artisans, carpenters, and whoever work on this. Okay, well, as you can see, with the cloth we are taking all the dust off, what sometimes can give you a serious problems. I mean, all simple small things are important for final result. Once you start shellacking, it's too late for some corrections. It's better to prevent that. The best for your next project. Video number 4 will come soon. Thank you for watching.